We'll guide you through how to automatically input grades in Excel. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because manually assigning grades in Microsoft Excel is time-consuming and prone to errors, especially with large student lists. Teachers and administrators need an automatic method to convert scores into grades quickly and consistently. Using formulas like VLOOKUP helps ensure accuracy, efficiency, and standardized grading results. To begin this tutorial, open Microsoft Excel on your computer or laptop and wait until the Excel Start screen fully appears before continuing to the next action. Open the workbook that already contains score and grade reference data, so you can use it as a guide. Make sure the workbook includes a reference table for score and grade, and confirm the reference table shows score ranges and corresponding grades clearly. Identify the worksheet that contains student names and scores without grades so you know where to apply the formula. Make sure the score column is filled correctly and does not contain errors. Locate an empty column next to the score column to place the grade results. Type grade as the header in the empty column to label it properly. Click the cell below the grade header to begin entering the formula. Type an equal sign to start a formula in that cell. Type VLOOKUP and open the bracket to begin the lookup function. Click the student's score cell as the lookup value so Excel knows what to search for. Block the reference table containing score and grade data so Excel can compare the score to the grading scale. Press F4 to lock the table range with absolute reference so the range does not change when copied. Type number 2 because the grade is in the second column of the table. Press Enter to display the calculated grade for the first student. Check if the grade matches the student's score correctly based on the reference table. Drag the fill handle down to copy the formula to all rows. Confirm all students now have grades automatically generated. Format the grade column to improve readability. Save the Excel file after completing the automatic grading setup.